everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from the Poppy Willow company from the UK. I am a PR gal for her, and if you like the stickers, which I know that you will, you can use the code TT.Scraps 15 and save 15% and get a free sheet, which is this. And it is foiled with silver foiling. It is beautiful. Her shop is one of my, actually it is my favorite foiling shop. I absolutely love it. So I got, I think 3 kits. I don't remember exactly, but I'm pretty sure it's 3. And this one is called Ahoy, which is adorable. Little corner stickers. And these are little headers. Oh, and this one is from Lagoon. Maybe she sent me some extras. I think she sent me some extras, so I'll show you those in a minute, because all of these go with the same Ahoy kit. And then here are the number stickers that are all foiled, and the full boxes. Her kits are huge. This one is the Washi. My dad was in the Navy, so I love Navy things. Half boxes and quarter boxes. Here are the days of the week and the functionals. And these are headers. And these are just an extra page of Mod Podge of decorative and functional and full boxes. And then these are her check boxes. So with every full kit you get all of these stickers, which is amazing. I love it. So that is everything in the Ahoy kit. And then I think I got 2 sunflower kits, and I may have already taken one out to give to my daughter. I'm just double checking. Yes. So I got a sunflower kit for myself and one for my daughter. These are gold foiled, and they are just lovely. And every kit comes with the same things: the full boxes, the washi, the half and the quarter, and the date, the headers, the miscellaneous sheet, and the check boxes. So they are complete kits that are just beautiful. And then the last one I got was one called Pop Fizz Clink, and it is for New Year's or any sort of celebration. And it is just so cute with its foiling. It's gold as well, and it is just adorable. So her kits are well worth the price, because you can easily do 2 weeks, more than that really, with these kits. They're just huge and they're lovely. So I really, really like them. And then here are some other kit colors. This one's Logan. This one is Stormy Seas. I love that. Coral Beach. It's also very pretty. Violet Sorbet. Fern. Love that too. Pink Sherbet. And then Lagoon. So both of those are the Lagoon colors. So pretty. So I hope that you guys will check out her store. She has some really great things to offer, and I really like her. Don't forget to use TT.Scraps 15 for 15% off and your free sheet. Have a great day. Bye-bye.